Okay, so now I'm going to keep my pen aside just to understand what exactly we have on table. So what is this? I think Chavi, you're the best person to tell us.
So, we have named this platter as Indulgence Medley.
All right.
So the medley, it's a combination of things.
Mm-hmm.
It has cottage cheese skewers marinated in basil and a very nice sauce.
Okay.
We have avocado toasts. We have momos, spinach cheese cigarro, as I mentioned, they are
Yes,
hot
yes.
selling, and we have mozzarella stuffed onion rings.
Okay.
To give them company, we have very nice combination of dips which we serve.
Yes.
It has mashed potatoes, it has the mayo and sweet chili and salad. So it's a complete platter, it's a complete food which is served on one plate.
And one thing more, the best thing which I tell you about a restaurant, nothing is frozen.
Okay.
Don't use anything frozen.
It's all in house.
Everything
So,
made here. The dim sum are made here.
yes.
The
And
cigar
that's what
rolls
I
are
want to
made.
tell you. Nowadays, it's outsourced and it's so convenient for people just to buy the frozen stuff, get from Delhi or somewhere else, and sell anywhere.
So this is all made in-house. So whenever you come, you'll not get this taste anywhere except House of Mustard.
Yes.
So you have exclusivity
Yes.
which you can only end up with.
I can very well now understand.
So the next is Chinese bhel.
Hmm.
As I mentioned, it's a fusion of fried noodles and Chinese sauces. We have topped it with an edible flour just to give a color to the dish. And since we've served it on a white platter, so white needs to be more colorful. So the dish has to be colorful on a white platter. So this is again Chinese bhel with a lot of vegetables and fusion of Chinese sauces in it.
Tangy taste of the dish.
Oh.
We not change that.
No,
That's the
that's
best thing
the
that
basics.
Chavi and our team has done. They keep that taste of the bhel, but twist of Chinese.
All right.
So since our Rajasthani fest is going on, and we would like to present our Rajasthani thali the way it is served on a grander note. So Rajasthan is all about rich in culture and heritage. So it has to be grand. So in that thali we have dal, we have curry, Rajasthani curry. We have,
This is curry?
yes, that's curry.
Okay.
That's dal.
Okay.
And this is besan ke tatte. This is called mirch ki tapori. So
Is it a pickle or is it proper like a
So it's,
vegetable consumed?
no, it's kind of a pickle also,
Okay.
and that's bhindi masala.
How is it different from the general bhindi masala
So
that we make at home?
general bhindi masala, what we make at home doesn't have a lot of spices, a fusion of blend of spices, which are very flavorful, which we don't think that we can use at home. So we have made a specific masala, to make it more flavorful.
Okay.
Then we have rose, gulab ka churma, जिसको हम कहते हैं. Then we have besan ka churma, and that's a pickle. That's Kair Sangri. That's grown in Rajasthan.
Is that
And-
bale? It's about that bale?
No. No, sangri is a vegetable and Kair is also a vegetable. So they are usually dried and they are very high in protein. So that's a pickle what we have used here, and we serve it with rice. And we have 3 types of bati in the thali. One is plain bati.
This.
Yes,
This?
yes,
Okay.
that's a plain bati.
Alright.
This one with the bow on it is a masala bati. It has very nice flavorful filling in it, made of potatoes and since peas are baghe. So very tangy and spicy filling. And the third one is like mawa bati. We have filled it with mawa, so it's a sweet dish in the thali.
Oh,
You
alright.
see a smile on Chavi's face.
Yes, I do.
Explaining the
Yes, I see.
Rajasthani thali.
Yes.
Close to our heart.
Yes, it does seem like one. So coming to this one, what this is it that same chart you described?
Yes, this is aloo tikki chaat, served in a very colorful and a flavorful way. So as you see, we can see the layers of everything. There is imli chutney, there is green chutney, we have curd. Then is the tikki. Tikki ke sath masala bhi hai, topped up with a spicy spinach leaf.
Okay.
So every dish, every thing in this plate has its own flavor. So how do you blend it? That was the trick.
That was it. And that was a hit.
Yes.
Yes.
And if you see that everything is not blend, everything,
It's
the
not
chutney is
mixed.
showing his color,
There are layers.
green chutney is showing his
It's been
color.
very, very well.
Yes, the curd is showing its own
Yes.
color.
I think that's also a skill that you need to nurture.
Yes.
What do you say? Yeah.
We have mocktails which don't give a missing feeling to the cocktail. So when you see this, you just feel like drinking it. We can see the gradation of colors, how it is made. So from dark purple to the light purple. So it is one of our hot selling drink named spicy jamun.
Okay.
So it is usually served in Goa because Goa mein jamun बहुत ज़्यादा grow होते हैं. But since you have to bring something different to Dehradun, so we have got this here. And this is another drink. It is named Cocoa Berry Citrus Refresher. So it's a healthy version of a drink. The base of the drink is coconut water.
Okay.
We have blended it with orange juice and some fresh fruits with it. So it is a very refreshing drink on the other hand. So see when I, to give it an experience, so you can see the blending of the mocktail, that how a drink can be.
I actually wanted that once.
See how a drink can be, blended in a very same way as you blend a cocktail.
Super.
I think you should taste it.
It is.
You should have one sip of it.
Yeah, I don't mind. I will never mind. Amazing. It's very good. But it's good. It's very nice. कभी इतना कुछ प्लान करते हुए ever you had a doubt in your mind कि शायद कुछ गड़बड़ हो रहा है, ये decision ठीक था नहीं था, any time, be it making a dish, be it opening a restaurant, be it doing a party or giving a space to someone, choosing guests or something like that, because I'm sure you must be reserving rights to it.
So while opening a restaurant, our vision was very clear. There was no doubt कि हम क्यों खोल रहे हैं और वेज क्यों खोल रहे हैं. So our vision was very clear. So we had no doubts about opening this. Of course, while curating a menu, there goes a lot of brainstorming behind that. कि आपके ये डिशेस जो आप बना रहे हो क्या वो लोग उसको एक्सेप्ट करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे. एंड इफ यू आर क्यूरेटिंग समथिंग इट हैज टू बी वेरी डिफरेंट व्हिच इज generally or usually not available in a vegetarian restaurant.
Yeah.
So there was a lot of brainstorming behind that, and you have to be very selective for selecting a dish on a menu.
Right. Whenever you made something that came out to be a disaster, but you thought it's going to be ultimately successful, but it came out to be a disaster. Any funny incident that you tried?
Yes, of course. We tried soya chap gravy in soya chap in white gravy.
Okay.
So it was a big disaster because when you talk about soya, it has to be little spicy or very different note. Of course, we corrected it by making it Jodhpuri lal chap.
Okay.
So giving a lal mas flavor to a chap was one trick.
Okay. You always talked about expanding it worldwide. Which is a dream city, or say, how do you plan to do it?
That Archit can explain.
Business mind. Let's talk there.
See, if you ask me, the first I think Asia. In Asia, it's
Yes.
like Singapore is nice. I wanted to go Singapore or Dubai. The reason behind that Singapore and Dubai have a lot of Indians now. A lot of Indians.
Yes.
And their Indians are more from South Korea. People have traveled to Singapore and Dubai a lot.
Yes.
And they, what I personally, when I sit and I meet people there, so I think they're missing Indian food, Indian food and vegetarian food. I also try being a vegetarian and not
You
eat
see a lot of Gujaratis
more
struggling
Indian
to
also,
find.
and especially Gujaratis and a lot of South Indians are pure vegetarian.
Yes, true.
And they also now just eating dosas. Now they want to have something change.
Of course.
So they want some good Indian spicy food which they can get. So I think the place we want to expand in future can be Dubai and Singapore, then Asia, then it can be Europe in future if the plan goes as we want.
And if you have to collaborate with some global artist or a global brand, which one do you think you will go for?
I think I'm a Desi person and being Hindustani, pure Hindustani, and Hindustani thought that people, Mera Bharat Mahan. But if I want to go, I will go with Taj. I think Taj was a brand which has tell worldwide what is the hospitality,
Yeah,
And
they
what should
actually
be.
said the best.
And I think I have been travel and you also travel a lot.
Yeah.
We all travel. The food which we get in Taj,
Hmm.
5-star hotels, are the one of the best food you can get in any 5-star hotel.
Absolutely.
Service,
Yeah.
the style, the classy pun, things which they give, it is one of the best. So, in the brand, I want to collab with Taj because it will upcome our brand and think that will be nice, well, best brand I can be. We collaborate.
No, we can correlate our hospitality, our taste to the standards of Taj.
That level, that, yeah.
So if you know
Hygiene.
a Taj having a vegetarian restaurant by the name of House of Nutmeg would be a pride thing of us.
I certainly moving on that. You always said that believing in yourself is basically was the real key to your success. At there any point of time then you felt and you that proved that because you believe in yourself, the outcome was just unbelievable.
So if you're doing something, it has to be straight out from your heart. You have to be very confident that whatever you are doing is correct and you are
Yes.
not harming anybody's intention.
Yeah.
And you should be focused while as well as you have to be very creative what you are doing. How it has to be out of the box. So one should have confidence and one should have faith in himself or herself to move ahead smoothly in life.
Perfect. And one message that you would want to give a women entrepreneur who actually wants to live her dreams, fight for her dreams, be somebody, obviously with support of her partner or say family, but something that you would want to say to
When we
women.
talk about women, ये कहा जाता है कि एक औरत को अपनी घर गृहस्थी देखनी चाहिए.
Yeah.
घर गृहस्थी चलाने के लिए भी तो साधन होना चाहिए. अगर आपके पास साधन है और सुख सुविधाएं हैं तो आप इतनी मेहनत नहीं करना चाहेंगे. अगर आप मेहनत करना चाहते हैं और अपनी सुख सुविधाओं को रखते हुए कि मैं आगे जिंदगी में कैसे बढ़ूं और अगर आप में डर नहीं है and you are very confident in yourself
Your
and
intention.
your intention, they have to be very clear, but your intention should not sacrifice your family. So you have to make a very balanced lifestyle so that you are giving time to your family as well as your work. You should not neglect one thing over the other.
Correct. And if you could invite 3 people, living or dead, here, who are those 3 special people you actually want to come?
One, my grandfather and grandmother,
Okay.
and one, I think, Bobby.
Yeah, my grandfather,
Your grandfather.
he always gave me a vision to do something in life, to
Okay.
do something very good and out of the box,
Yeah.
and he has always been very supportive. So he's so, when we started making this restaurant, he used to be so curious कि तू मुझे दिखा वीडियो कॉल करके कि क्या बना रही है, क्या चल रहा है, कहाँ तक हो गया है. But due to his physical conditions, he could not come.
Never.
But he was always, available on a call to see what's happening and what's not happening. So last 2 months back he passed away. So that was a shock in our life that वो आ नहीं सके. But I made sure that one of my friend was going from Dehradun to Jaipur on direct flight,
Okay.
and I made sure that what he loves was noodles and chili paneer will be served to him at home from House of Nutmeg.
Oh.
So somebody was going from Dehradun to Jaipur, so I made sure that what my grandfather loves should be served to him from House of Nutmeg at home. So I had sent him noodles and chili paneer, which he had tears in his eyes. Ki from so far you have sent me something from your restaurant, which when I could not come to eat there.
Yeah.
And thirdly is my Guruji, who has always, given me faith in myself and always had answers to my questions. I wish if he would have been alive, he would have definitely come here in time.
Same thing what I can say with my grandfather, my grandma, that when I started this thing, जो उनमें एक हमारे youngster when we were young, तो पैशन था हमेशा हम लोगों को चीजें सिखाने का, कि नहीं मतलब एक पीछे पुश करने का. जैसे नॉर्मली ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स क्या होता है कि नहीं यार ठीक है ट्रेडिशन, ही वाज नेवर डन.
They were the kind की
मतलब टाइम से आगे थे. करो मतलब करना चाहिए है, कुछ नया करना चाहिए. हमेशा वो चलो वो नहीं, कुछ नया करो. वो ये चीज देखते हैं कि हमने कुछ नया करा है एंड वी स्टार्टेड डिफरेंट लाइन इन अ फैमिली मतलब इन माय होल फैमिली ऑफ माय नो वन हैज ओपन रेस्टोरेंट नो वन कम इन हॉस्पिटैलिटी लाइन
If the first generation.
we are after Dustlist becoming a next line so मतलब he मतलब the happiest person in my मतलब my life was like
Yes.
my grandfather or my grandma you know.
Nice. Whenever you see people leaving from House of Nutmeg, what is the feeling that you want people to take?
So, firstly is food. Of course, when you're serving good food, they would definitely want to come back. So, whenever they are leaving from here, they said, we've eaten so much. We are so full that, but still, our, हमारी इच्छा और है खाने की और हम खा नहीं सकते.
Yeah.
We still want to come and we still want to explore and try out new dishes. And your hospitality, of course,
So warm.
so warm that we feel that we are sitting in a very warm and a cozy place.
I want they should when they leave when मैं देखता हूँ लोग जाते हैं smile at the happiness
And
appreciation for the food they give to our servers and our manager when they explained that we loved the food, service was amazing, the taste was unimaginable. We never thought कि vegetarian also के अंदर भी इतना अच्छा taste इतना अच्छा मिल सकता है, इतनी अच्छी हमको एक्सप्लेनेशन मिल सकती है.
Yes.
क्योंकि वो एक्सपीरियंस क्योंकि स्माइल और जो फीडबैक देके जाते हैं ना एवरी सिटिंग एंड चाहे वो सिटिंग इन द नाइट हमें कोरे दोनों टेबल पे बैठ के हम आराम से देख रहे होते हैं लोग सुन रहे होते
Observing
हैं
everybody else
दैट
consuming.
दो एक्सपीरियंस जो होता है दैट मेक्स स्माइल इन आवर फेस love the people when they go with this smile
I'm sure.
especially when they click photographs before going
Yes.
they want to capture that memory
And we have
Wow.
many people coming from other towns also. They take our posters, which has a branding on it.
Okay.
They take our posters as a souvenir that we had come to this place
Yes.
and the food is very good and we have a memory
Carries
to
along.
this.
Yes.
That is so sweet. That's really nice. So the last thing we have today is rapid fire round. So I have 3 questions for both of you. Let's start with that, shall we? First, I'm going to go with you. Which is your best-selling dish at your restaurant according to you?
Chinese meal.
Nice. One ingredient that you use every day in your restaurant.
salt
A dish that you can cook with your eyes closed.
Brownie.
Okay, and what time of the day is the cafe is the best time, like the morning or the evenings?
So I would say evenings is the best time as
That was his question.
sure
Ah,
what is the best time
of the day, the cafe time, like the morning time or the evening is the rush hour time.
I think we are lucky to have good rush hour in lunch, but normally we have good rush in dinners.
Favorite corner in the cafe?
Sitting at the entrance.
Yes.
I have a table number 5. I sit there and I
Okay.
can observe everything from there.
And your favorite festival menu item?
For me, I think Rajasthan.
Rajasthani.
I love
And this particularly item I will
I like
mention.
this. What bati?
Mama bati.
Mawa bati.
Mahabharati.
I
That
love Mawa bati and my churma.
okay.
I am sweet to that also.
Yes, exactly. So now we come to the end of our podcast. But before we end this and we say bye to our viewers, one question for both of you. How can I make this better? How did you feel today? How can I make this better? How can I improve myself?
I think you're doing best.
Thank you.
I think and this I think is my third podcast. The way you have laid down the podcast, the way you speak, the way you carry the things is one of the best I have done a podcast with anyone. And the way you are questionnaires your thing to us, you make people more comfortable. I think that's the best thing. I know Chavi is the first podcast for her, and she's I think talking more confident than us. What
Yeah,
I feel
exactly.
lately. So I think all the best.
Thank you.
And this is I always say people this restaurant is run by Guruji. So I think Guruji will always bless you.
Thank you.
And give your podcast or next level and being because I think उत्तराखंड का बेस्ट हो फिर मतलब इंडिया का बेस्ट हो वर्ल्ड वाइड जाए
Thank
तो गुरुजी से आपके लिए ब्लेसिंग होगी that गुरुजी always bless you.
Thank
It
you
is nice
so very much. Thank
future
you.
and good present of podcast in everywhere.
Thank you so very much for your wishes and thank you for your time. Thank you.